Hey there, explorers! Today, we're going on a time travel adventure. Buckle your imaginary seatbelts as we zoom back thousands of years to a time before cars, trains, or even bicycles. Can you imagine a world without wheels? Back then, people had a tough time moving things around. Everything was super heavy. Imagine dragging a giant woolly mammoth steak for dinner. Talk about a workout! Section 2. The Big Drag. Without wheels, people had to drag or carry everything. Can you imagine dragging your backpack to school? Oof, that's what ancient people had to do with all their stuff.
Moving heavy things like rocks or trees was super hard work. People got tired and things moved very slowly. It took forever to move anything a long distance.
Section 3. Rolling along. One day, someone noticed something cool. When they rolled a log, it moved more easily. What a discovery! This gave them an awesome idea.
People started using logs as rollers to move heavy objects. It was much easier than dragging. This was a big step towards inventing the wheel.
For round and round we go. Someone got another brilliant idea. What if we made a round shape out of wood? That's how the first wheels were born. They were simple at first, but they changed everything.
With wheels, people could move things faster and farther. Wagons made carrying stuff a breeze. Pottery wheels helped make beautiful pots. People even raced each other using chariots with wheels. The oldest wheel we've found is over 5,500 years old. Wow!
Wheels are everywhere today. Can you spot some wheels around you? They're on your toys, cars, and maybe even your chair. Wheels make our lives easier and more fun.